మా handsome evergreen hero Tobino Thomas garu, please.
Thank you so much. Hello, good evening. First of all, ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఇక్కడ వന്നിട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. Thank you so much for waiting. And that was just one line I made sure I'll say here. They helped me. And next time, when I come here, I'll give a full speech in Telugu. That's a promise. Also, so in 2017, in 2016, this script was written. In 2017, that script was selected by the director and it was narrated to me. And from that day, it was our dream. And our dream is coming true on September 12th. And we are inviting you all to be part of that dream. It's a very ambitious project for us, and we expect you all will like the movie too. And about Harish Sheldon, I call him Harish Sheldon, and I mean it. As he said, he is my brother from another mother. And thank you so much for being the sweetest person on the earth. You are. And we have worked together in Maya Nadi and Kalki, and now it's our third time we are collaborating, and he has always been very sweet to me, always given very positive vibes to me, and definitely will work again and again. And I love working with you, brother. Thank you so much. And Kriti has done an amazing job in ARM. I can vouch for her. And she already has fans in my house. My children, they keep playing this Bullet song in repeat mode. And I know Kriti from my daughter. Like, my daughter told me, this is Kriti Shetty. She acted in Bullet song. That's how I got introduced to, you got introduced to me. And she's an amazing talent. I've been telling this everywhere. She is so young, yet mature, and she is going to go places. Mark my words. And to you all, thank you so much for coming here to see us. Okay, I'll switch to Malayalam. As there are a lot of Malayalis are here. കുറച്ച് നേരത്തെ പറയാമായിരുന്നില്ലേ സുഹൃത്തെ, ഞാൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് കഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നത് കണ്ടില്ലേ. ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷം ഇവിടെ വരാൻ സാധിച്ചത്, ഇവിടെ വെച്ച് നിങ്ങളെ കാണാൻ സാധിച്ചത്. അപ്പൊ ഈ സിനിമ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും തിയേറ്ററിൽ തന്നെ പോയി 3Dയിൽ കാണണം. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ആ 4 പേരോട് പറയണം. കാര്യം അത് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ഹെൽപ്ഫുൾ ആയിരിക്കും. Thank you so much. Love you all. See you again very soon.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your wonderful words. And we are eagerly waiting for September 12th for ARM. Thank you so much. సో ఇప్పటిదాకా మీ మాటలు విన్నాం. సో ఫ్యాన్స్ అందరూ ఒక 2 స్టెప్స్ అట్లా వేస్తే చూడండి, కావాలా?
എന്നെ അറിയാവുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം അത് നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നില്ലെന്ന്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഐ ജനറലി ഡോണ്ട് ഡാൻസ്. I dance only in movies. ఆరాధకరే శాంతరాఘవన్. ఓకే,
ఏదో చెప్పారు సార్, నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు. Okay, so we have some questions from audience. Are you ready? Yes.
Hello. Yeah, Kriti Shetty garu.
Yeah, cheppandi.
Good evening, madam. గుడ్
ఓకే
ఈవినింగ్.
నాది ఒక క్వశ్చన్, 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ యాక్చువల్గా. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ తర్వాత రెండో క్వశ్చన్.
ఓకే ఓకే.
సో మీరు ఉప్పెన నుంచి జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు, తెలుగులో చేశారు, తమిళ్లో చేశారు, తమిళ్లో చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఇప్పుడు మలయాళంలో కూడా చేశారు. సో వాట్ మేడ్ యూ టు చూస్ దిస్ క్యారెక్టర్ అమాంగ్ దీస్ ఆల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్? వై సో స్పెషల్?
అంటే నాకు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నా క్యారెక్టరే కాకుండా సినిమా ఓవరాల్గా విన్నప్పుడు చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా అనిపించింది. అంటే మేము ఎస్పెషలీ సౌత్లో, ఇండియాలోనే యాక్చువల్గా మేము చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి అంటే అమ్మమ్మ ఒక కథ చెప్తానంటే చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదా మనందరికీ. అలాంటి ఒక కథ అంటే ఒక 3 జనరేషన్స్ ఉంది ఈ స్టోరీలో. ఆ 3 జనరేషన్స్లో స్టోరీ ఫిల్మ్ పేరు అజయ్ అంటే రెండాం మోషనం, విచ్ ఇస్ అజయంది సెకండ్ దొంగతనం. సో అది ఫస్ట్ దొంగతనం ఏంటి, సెకండ్ దొంగతనం ఏంటి, ఈ 3 జనరేషన్స్ అది ఎలా జరుగుతుంది అనేది స్టోరీ. సో దాట్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఎక్సైటింగ్. ప్లస్ నాకు నా క్యారెక్టర్ చాలా చాలా నచ్చింది.
ఓకే, ద సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ మ్యామ్, మేము తుని నుంచి వచ్చాం మీకోసం, నేను మా సిస్టర్.
యా వస్తానండి.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తాను.
నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్
Yeah.
I thought Kriti ne dance hi pick me jayegi. You want to dance?
ഹലോ ഇച്ചായ
Hello.
ആ ലൂസിഫറിലെ ഡയലോഗ് ഒന്ന് പറയോ?
So for those who didn't understand, they are requesting me to tell one dialogue from the movie Lucifer. So I played a character in that. Can I? Okay, with your permission. മുണ്ടെടുക്കാൻ അറിയാതെ, മലയാളത്തിൽ സംസാരിക്കാൻ അറിയാതെ, PK രാംദാസിൻ്റെ മകൻ ജതിൻ രാംദാസ് നിങ്ങളുടെ മുമ്പിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ വന്ന് നിൽക്കുമെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോ? എനിക്ക് മുണ്ടെടുക്കാനും അറിയാം, ആവശ്യം വന്നാൽ അത് മടക്കി കുത്താനും അറിയാം. എനിക്ക് മലയാളത്തിൽ സംസാരിക്കാനും അറിയാം, വേണ്ടി വന്ന നല്ല 2 തെറി പറയാനും അറിയാം.
Any questions?
ఇక్కడ good evening. My question to Kriti Shetty. So this is your first film in the Malayalam film industry. So how was your experience?
I think it was a wonderful experience అండి. I saw అంటే ప్రతి ఇండస్ట్రీలో కూడా చాలా చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ మలయాళం వాళ్ళు ఒక 1 షెడ్యూల్లో లేకపోతే 2 షెడ్యూల్స్ ఒక ఫుల్ సినిమాని ఫినిష్ చేసేస్తారు. సో ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ దే పుట్ ఇన్, ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ దే పుట్ ఇన్ వాజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ టు సీ. ప్లస్ టొవినో గారితో వర్క్ చేయడం, ఆయన ఈ సినిమా కోసం యాక్టింగ్ ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్నారు. సో ఆయన నేర్చుకున్నదంతా నాతో కూడా షేర్ చేశారు, ఆ టెక్నిక్స్ నాతో షేర్ చేశారు, విచ్ వాజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఎన్రిచింగ్ ఫర్ మీ. సో ఇట్ వాజ్ అ వండర్ఫుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
Okay ma'am. Okay, to tell, I'm actually a big fan of you from your first film Uppena.
Thank you అండి.
So eagerly waiting for your next Telugu film or any language film.
Thank you so
And
much.
Congrats to for this film.
Thank you.
Hello. I have a question for Tovino sir. Hi sir.
Hi.
So I want to ask the experience with, Basil Joseph. We know, we have fans. Basil fans ille. So about him.
So you want it in Malayalam or English?
Malayalam.
Okay. So Basil, ഞാൻ എപ്പോഴും പറയുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യമുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ കഴിവുകളിൽ വിശ്വസിച്ചതിനേക്കാൾ കൂടുതൽ എൻ്റെ കഴിവുകളിൽ വിശ്വസിച്ച എൻ്റെ കൂട്ടുകാരാണ് എനിക്ക് ഏറ്റവും നല്ല സിനിമകൾ തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതിൽ ഒരാൾ ബേസിലാണ്, ഒരാൾ ജിതിനാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അവൻ്റെ കൂടെയുള്ള എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങളൊക്കെ കാണുന്നതല്ലേ, അത് തന്നെയാണ്. വളരെ അടുത്ത സുഹൃത്താണ്, നല്ലൊരു വെൽവിഷറാണ് അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും. ഇപ്പോൾ കറൻ്റ്ലി ബേസിലിൻ്റെ വിശേഷം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ബേസിൽ ഒരു സിനിമയിൽ അഭിനയിക്കുകയാണ്, മരണമാസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന സിനിമ. അത് ഞാനാണ് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Also, I want to add something. Like my friends, Malayali friends who act in Telugu movies have always told me, I mean, in the Telugu audience, their love is something different. And right now I am experiencing it, and I thank from my bottom of my heart. I never understood what they were talking about, but now I understand. Thank you so much.
Hello, Tovino Thomas.
Hello.
Here, straight.
Hi.
My name is Chetan Mahesh Verma.
Sorry, come again.
മൈ നെയിം ഇസ് ചേതൻ മഹേഷ് വർമ്മ.
ഹായ് ചേതൻ. ഹായ്.
ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ വലിയൊരു ഫാനാണ്.
ഓ താങ്ക് യു.
ഞാൻ ലൂസിഫർ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, മിന്നൽ മുരളി കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, തീവണ്ടി കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്.
ഓ താങ്ക് യു താങ്ക് യു.
എനിക്കൊരു ചോദ്യമേ ഉള്ളൂ, നമുക്കൊരു മിന്നൽ മുരളി പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാവോ? മിന്നൽ മുരളി 2.
So, about മിന്നൽ മുരളി 2, ബേസിൽ ഭയങ്കര ബിസി ആയിട്ട് അവൻ്റെ ആക്ടിങ് കരിയർ കൊണ്ടുപോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. സോ everyone knows that Basil is a very busy actor in Kerala. Right now, he is giving super hits, blockbusters every year, at least one per year. And right now, he is acting in a movie which I am being produced. Also, he'll be directing a movie very soon, and that will not be Minnal Murali 2, but a different movie. After that, if Minnal Murali, we didn't force Minnal Murali, we didn't plan Minnal Murali, it just happened, just like that. So Minnal Murali 2 also should happen. Waiting for an amazing idea. And we already have few ideas, but waiting for even better ideas. Because if we are making a sequel for Minnal Murali, it needs to be 10 times better than Minnal Murali 1. So let's wait. Thank you.
Hi Kriti. Here. My question. How was the experience working with Tovino Thomas?
Yeah, like I just said, actually, ఆయన ఈ 3 క్యారెక్టర్స్ కాబట్టి he put in so much time and hard work into it. ఆయన యాక్టింగ్ ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్నారు. ఆయన షూట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆయన నేర్చుకున్నవి నాతో కూడా షేర్ చేశారు, విచ్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ వెరీ గ్రేట్ఫుల్ ఫర్. అంటే ఆయనకి ఇప్పుడు నాకు కూడా ఎడ్యుకేట్ చేయడం అవసరం లేదు, బట్ అయినా సరే ఆయన చేశారు, విచ్ ఈస్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ నైస్నెస్. సో ఐఎమ్ వెరీ గ్రేట్ఫుల్.
Please share any funny incident behind the scenes.
అంటే యాక్చువల్గా ఇప్పుడు ఆయన నేను చేసిన దాంట్లో నుంచి ఏం నేర్చుకున్నారంటే ఈరోజు అడిగారు ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూలో. సో హీ సెడ్ ఆయన హ్యాండ్ కేర్ చేయడం నేర్చుకున్నారు, బికాస్ ఒక షాట్ ఉండింది ఈ సినిమాలో, అంటే సగం డైలాగ్ హ్యాండ్ షాట్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ హ్యాండ్స్ అంతా యాక్ట్ చేయాలని డైరెక్టర్ గారు చెప్పారు. సో అప్పుడు నేను హ్యాండ్ బాగా కనిపించాలి, హ్యాండ్తో ఎట్లా యాక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు అని సర్చ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆయన ఓ హ్యాండ్కి కూడా యాక్టింగ్ ఉంటుందా, హ్యాండ్కి కూడా కేర్ ఉంటుందా అని అన్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello. Sir, this question is for Tovino, sir.
Hello, hi.
Big fan, I'm a big fan.
Oh, thank you, I'm honored.
I have 2 questions.
Okay.
First one, so which actor or hero do you like most right now in Tollywood?
Oh, it's a tough question. Do I have an option to love everyone?
No.
I believe.
You can choose.
No, I have that choice.
Okay.
So, being an audience, I can love one actor.
Yeah.
But being an actor, whenever I see a good performance from one actor, I'll immediately become his fan. And whenever I see another good performance from another actor, I'll become his fan. I have that right. I don't believe in loving just one person. I believe in loving everyone. And that's a tough question.
Yeah.
And this is my answer. I love every good actor.
So when are you doing a direct Telugu movie?
Whenever an amazing script finds me.
So what is the last movie that you watched in Telugu?
Kalki.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Yeah. So my question is to Harish sir. So like, how to say this? How was the on-set experience with this movie compared to Maya Nadi, Kalki, and all? Like, how was it different? Like, was it more experience, thrilling? Like, did you have to do more stunts and stuff like that?
నేను తెలుగులో చెప్పాలా, ఇంగ్లీష్లోనా, మలయాళంలోనా? ఓకే, ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తే అర్థమవుతుంది కదా. ఓకే కదా? ఓకే, అలా చెప్తా, లేదంటే టైం పోతుంది. సో Mayanadi, for me, in my career, is one of the important films. And I've mentioned in a lot of interviews that the process which we went through was so beautiful as an actor. It was, even today, if you ask me what is the best work experience movie, I would say Mayanadi. And the best thing was, in Mayanadi is when I met Tovino. And from then, it has been an amazing journey with him. After Mayanadi, it was Kalki. Kalki is a completely, it's a mass action film. Yeah. So the approach was completely different. And now ARM. The similarity is Tovino is there in all 3 films. And from Kalki, Jitin Lal, the director of ARM, was the associate in Kalki. And that's when I know him. And from there, there was a journey. So ARM is one of the best experiences for me, because some beautiful people, lovely people are there in the team. Because I've always seen Tovino, he has some amazing friends around him. So that makes the set so very beautiful and lovely, and it has been an amazing experience. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Toychata, എൻ്റെ പേര് അൽത്താഫ്.
ഹലോ അൽത്താഫ്.
ഞാൻ മലപ്പുറത്തു നിന്നാണ്, കേരള മലപ്പുറത്തു നിന്നാണ്. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ വലിയൊരു ആരാധകനാണ്. അതേപോലെ നിങ്ങളെ മണവാള വസീമിൻ്റെ വലിയൊരു ആരാധകനാണ്. എനിക്ക് ചോദിക്കാനുള്ളത്, തല്ലുമാലക്കൊരു പാർട്ട് 2 ഉണ്ടാവുമോ?
ആലോചിക്കാവുന്നതാണ്.
പിന്നെ
അതിന് ഒരു ഡിസ്കഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ അതും ഈ പറയുന്ന പോലെ തല്ലുമാലയേക്കാൾ എത്രയോ മടങ്ങ് നല്ല സിനിമയായിരിക്കണം തല്ലുമാല 2. അതാണ് ഈ സീക്വലിന്റെ ഹോൾ പർപ്പസ്. പിന്നെ അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടാവൂ.
നിങ്ങൾ ഫുഡ് കഴിച്ചോ?
ഞാൻ ഇന്നലെ രാത്രി കഴിച്ചതാ, പിന്നെ കഴിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. ബാക്ക് ടു ബാക്ക് ഇന്റർവ്യൂസ് ആയിരുന്നു.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for asking questions.